I did a year-long placement at Griner Packaging in Dungannon, but then they extended it to 15 months. So I did a lot of improvement projects there, working on breakdowns and maintenance and stuff. I wasn't very good with people when I started, but I'm much better now. So it's good for that.
I did 2 years in different industries. The first was manufacturing, fabrication, and the second was in aviation. So I have now rolled straight into a job since graduating, so I think it's definitely helped me to go straight into work, and it was definitely very valuable. Now going into Kerry Foods into their graduate programme.
So I worked for Rockwell Collins in Kilkeel, making aircraft seating and interiors. And yeah, that was very interesting. The process is pretty streamlined because most of the companies in certainly the UK have a lot of their own internal systems through which they work to hire interns and then get them through their placement years. So it's very systematic and very quick. I know things that I would have never known had I have not done it. The course is good, but there are some things you can't learn without experience.